Hey, hi boys and girls. I hope you're enjoying the Mach-E teardown. Really and truly, we've been getting some serious comments about how the Mach-E is nice, but what about the Plaid? Okay, boys and girls, it sounds good, but Uncle Sandy doesn't have enough do-re-mi to make this happen. Right now, we have the Rivian. We have 2 Cybertrucks coming. We have like a myriad of things going on, and adding another 150K or 130K, sorry, to the list is going to be kind of tough. And then we have to tear it down and analyze it. That's another $750,000. Now that sounds like a lot of money, but the OEMs to do this, they would be looking at about 1.3 million. That, I mean, we can do it cheaper, faster, easier than any OEM can do it. But the price tag for us is a little stiff right now. So we have come up with the bumper sticker plan. So for $13, you can get one of these. We're hoping that about 10,000 of you will actually want to buy one of these things, and with that money then we can say, okay, you guys have put in $130,000 for us to buy the car, and I'll pony up the $750,000 that it's going to take to analyze it and get it out to you so you can see how and what's going on inside the Tesla Plaid. So that's only about 1/10 of the number of people that'll probably watch this video. If you can find it in your heart to get a bumper sticker that and a sincere thank you to put something up like this. This is going to be Operation Bumper Sticker. So if you can, I'd really appreciate it if you can click on the link below, and that'll take you to the special place so that you can get your bumper sticker, and we can get your 13 bucks, and hopefully we can show you how the Tesla Plaid is actually working. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and let's see what happens. Thanks so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.